everyone. So it is almost Christmas and I'm super excited today because I thought it'd be really fun if we could actually go through the new giveaway together. So I love having giveaways for you, and so I'm super excited because we had our last giveaway winner, and according to the USPS tracking, she is going to get her present in time for Christmas, her giveaway gift. So I am so happy. I cannot wait to see how she likes it. Hopefully she'll, let us know. But that's neither here nor there. We are going to have another giveaway, and I'm so excited because we have so many new subscribers here. So if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining the Glam Fam. And I am so excited that you're here, and thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you all for subscribing and being so supportive. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate you so much. And I can't tell you how you guys have truly, made my dreams come true, because, since I was very little, I was always, wanting to do something creative. I came across my old Instagram. I had a different Instagram before I met you guys, before I started YouTube. And it's a little bit sad, but then, it's really amazing at what people being kind to you, like you guys being kind to me, supporting, encouraging me, how it transformed me. You can see, I'll try to insert a picture, just because you could see the sadness that I was, in my eyes, the sadness that I was experiencing from so many things. The holidays do bring up a lot. The holidays, I'm happy and celebrating with you guys, but I know for so many people, the holidays are a very hard time. And so I myself would have a very hard time at different holidays, but you guys really give me something to focus on and to think about being happy, and that's what you have done from day one. So I am so grateful, and I will probably try my best to insert a picture because I just want to see how you guys have transformed me truly, to have so much joy, filled with light, filled with happiness now, thanks to you guys. I really just wanted to, just to show you these pictures, I think you can really see. And I remember I used to post those pictures and I thought I looked happy. I mean, I was happy as I could be at that time. And I remember somebody wrote to me and they said, wow, you look so, just somebody wrote, a random stranger, and they said, you look so, like you want to F someone up. I was like, that's how I live my life. I was always having to be, PTSD. I've lived my life with PTSD until, coming here, and you guys have truly, just made a safe place where I could be myself, where I can express myself creatively with makeup. And so that has just filled my heart with so much joy that I am truly so grateful to you guys for. And so that's why I love having giveaways. I love sharing whatever companies are so good to, share with me. And so I love to share with you as well, because many of you know they send sometimes a few different shades or whatnot. So this way I can share with you guys. And, let me know, as I don't know, I used to talk about things that happened in my life. And so, but then I've been trying not to do that for a few years now. I've been trying to not talk about those things. And like one of you beauty, Chanel, says, don't re-energize the negative. So I try not to talk about things that happened. But I was reading, someone said the other day, you have to share your story to help others overcome their trials. So it's important to share what you went through to help others. And so that I do want to do that. And that means the world to me, to at least show you that I was in the darkest of places and I have made it out. And so if you are in a dark place, you can make it out too. I swear to you, I was the most sensitive person. So the world was, what the things that happened to me was too much. And I didn't feel very strong in a lot of ways. But so you would think, oh, I can't, this is all too much. But, you can get strong and you can get better and you can be happy. I know that when you have PTSD or, you've been through traumas, that it feels like you're never going to get better and you feel like things will never get better. Even if you've been through a heartbreak, a divorce, anything that breaks your heart. And like they say a lot of times, the world will break your heart, but you can, you can get better, and the world is not a bad place. You can find a good place for yourself. You can find, your happy place, like they say, and you just keep looking. Don't give up. Keep looking, and you will find your happy place. Because, for me, makeup is my happy place. It makes me so happy, and sharing that with you guys, it's just so amazing. Because I'm naturally introverted, and I'm naturally pretty shy, and so that's why it also was good to come onto YouTube, because it kind of forced me to not be introverted, and I do feel happier not being so introverted. So if you are also introverted, you can find an outlet where you can express yourself. And because expressing yourself is really healing, it's really good for your soul. To, even though when you're introverted, you want to stay kind of, you don't want to leave your shell, but it's good to leave your shell. I really think, it's very, very, again, healing, and it's really good for your soul, and, just for yourself as a human being, to, interact with other people, to express yourself. And so I wouldn't have that if it wasn't for you guys. I'm so grateful. And that's why I just always tell you guys, I love you so much. I'm so grateful for you. And of course, I just want you to know, again, if anybody's going through a hard time, Christmas, I even am telling you guys, oh, it's so happy, because it's so happy with me and you guys. But I know in the world, there's a lot of things that are not happy, so it's very hard, but I like to just make my happy place and try to just focus on what is going to make us happy and what makes me happy, and let's kind of focus on that, because that's really healing as well. So even at this time of year, you might have, for different people, it brings up a lot of different emotions that, of past maybe holidays. And so, whatever that might be, it could be even with your ex or your ex-husband or ex-wife or ex-partner or family things that happen. And so sometimes you just have a lot of mixed emotions. But, it's really important to just sort of let that go and focus on the good things. Find something joyful and good to think about and to focus on. Because there are so many good things to think about and focus on, just even the beauty of the season, the bright colors, the festive colors, and, all of the, the lights and the trees and the pretty packaging. For me, as a person that loves color and visual things, I love seeing, I'm really focused on even the ornaments on the tree. They're so festive, they're so pretty, let's think about that. So find something, that really kind of uplifts you, whatever that might be. And for many people, art, any kind of art, like makeup art or, decorating, decorating is an art, these kind of things really will fill your soul and uplift you. So I wasn't intending to talk about this now, so I hope that, this doesn't sound awkward and things like that, but it's just really important to me just to try to help you guys and to show you that, again, I was in the darkest of places. I've made it out. I am a very sensitive person, so it's not like I'm this, hardcore bitch. No, I'm the one crying, and, and it's, everything hurts me a lot. So, and I was able to overcome the, the darkness, for lack of a better word, in the world, and these things that happen. And so, you don't have to feel strong. You can make it through, though. You are strong. You're stronger than you know. So, okay, guys, let's get into the giveaway today. Let me know if you'd like to hear more, though, if you guys would like me to tell you more about, because I know I used to talk about those things, and then I stopped because actually I was going through a very hard time that I've never told you guys about. So many crazy things happen. I mean, just being on YouTube, many people took it upon themselves they get very jealous of you if you're going to go be on YouTube. That's why a lot of people don't shine their light, because once you start doing what you love, people come out of the woodwork attacking you, and not strangers online too, but the worst is the people in real life, your family and friends. So that's very hard if you are wanting to do YouTube, you know, or social media, you know, sharing your art online. People, your family and friends, they many times will not support you and instead rather try to attack you and do all kinds of horrible things. Like, I don't want to talk about it now because it's Christmas, but I do want to tell you guys because, you know, I think it's really important and to let you guys know that it happens probably to most everybody, and you can make it through. You can keep going, you can be strong, and you can get away, get to a place where these people don't bother you anymore for, you know, or they can't bother you anymore, you know, things like that. Just, you know, keep going. So anyway, guys, I'm going to show you the giveaway for today. And here is a package though that I got from L'Oreal that I thought we could unbox together. So here it is, guys. Let's see what it is. It's very heavy, so I'm not sure what it is, but it says you're worth it. And what an appropriate time to open a box like this, because you are worth it. We're worth it. So oh, how beautiful. This is it's their lead makeup artist, and her name is Erica Taylor. She's Erica Taylor 2347 if you want to follow her online on her social media. I'm definitely going to check her out. So here is what they sent. So let's go ahead and see. Again, this is very heavy. So this is actually a box of her favorites and her must-haves, Erica, their lead makeup artist. So number one is the Revitalift, and this is their triple power anti-aging moisturizer. I love this, you guys. Do you use that? A lot of you beauties tell me that you use that and you love it. So here is their faux brow. This is truly amazing. I've used this as well. This is so good. I ran out of the one that I had. So thank you so much, L'Oreal, for sending me this. Look, they also sent their True Match Concealer. This is amazing. I was just thinking I want to do a full face of L'Oreal. I started collecting my makeup and putting it together, everything. Oh, here's the True Match Foundation. So I can't wait to, this is a super blendable foundation, warm light they send me. That is so nice. So here is some of their shadow sticks. And oh, the Plump Ambition Hyaluronic Acid Lip Oil. This is so good. Actually, I was going to show you guys that too, because they did come out with a video recently, and Kendall Jenner did her lip combo, and she used the lip oil, the Plump Ambition lip oil, and the Worth It lip liner. So I was going to try her combo, and I was going to do that with you guys. So I'll be back. I'll definitely do that. Oh, here's the Panorama mascara. Love this. Also, the Extensionist mascara is amazing. And then here is Infallible Brow Lamination. I've never tried this, so wow, I can't wait to try this. Oh, here's the Elnet hairspray, a nice little size. Everybody's favorite. This is what Taylor Swift, they said they spotted it in her dressing room on her vanity, of course. And then also, was it Kourtney Kardashian loves that. Oh, here's the L'Oreal Ever Pure Glossing 5-Minute Lamination Mask. This is amazing. I used that, and then the other day I put it on my clip-in extensions because they were so dry and ratty, and it made them look brand new. I couldn't believe it. So here is also the Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Brightening Eye Serum. I don't think I've been using that, but I did try it. And then here is their Plumping Serum. So wow, these are all of her favorites, and these are her must-haves. So thank you so much, L'Oreal. I will definitely be back, and we can create looks with these. Which one is your favorite L'Oreal product? Let me know down below. And I cannot wait. I definitely want to do a full face. I was just actually took out the one that I've been using, but actually maybe I'll try that one. I've been using the Infallible, so I was going to show a little tutorial with the Infallible, but now they just sent True Match. So which one should I use, guys? Which one do you guys think is better? Let me know down below. Actually, I want to do because I feel like this is comparable to the Charlotte Tilbury foundation, so I was going to use one side Charlotte Tilbury and one side this, and use also the Glow Lotion versus the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, so Hollywood Flawless Filter, and do one side each. So I'm probably going to do that because I'm very excited to try that. still do that. So, but what do you guys think? Would you like to see that? And what are your favorite L'Oreal products? Which foundation do you like better? Let me know down below. So guys, now let's get into the giveaway. Actually, I will just insert the clip of it because I did make a clip. Okay guys, so here is our current giveaway. How stinking gorgeous is this bag? I cannot even deal with how gorgeous it is. And then we have goodies here from Milk Makeup, One Size Beauty, Too Faced, L'Oreal, and Rare Beauty. So much good stuff. L'Oreal skincare and some more goodies. There'll be more goodies in this giveaway too. A beautiful makeup mirror. So there definitely will be more. There's a makeup brush set. So this is just a sample and a taste of what's to come. So, but this is this week's giveaway. So what do you think, guys? How gorgeous. Do you love this giveaway? Let me know down below if you want to enter to win. Also be a subscriber. Subscribe to win this giveaway and our future giveaways. So if you have your eye maybe on this one, let me know down below if you love it or not, and let me know what you want to see in the future giveaways too. So thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. Don't forget to enter into today's giveaway. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I am so grateful for all of you, and I can't wait to see who our next winner is going to be. So that's pretty much it. Let me know how your holiday season is going, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon.